The refractive index of a medium A with respect to medium B is 2/3, and the refractive index of a medium B with respect to medium C is 4/3. Find the refractive index of medium C with respect to medium A. Refractive index of medium A with respect to B means speed of light in B by speed of light in A equal 2/3. Refractive index of B with respect to C means speed of light in C by speed of light in B equal to 4/3. C refractive index of C with respect to A man speed of light in A by speed of light in C. तो स्पीड ऑफ लाइट ए बाई सी कौन हो नो कौन देखो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ
A with respect to B.
A respect to
B.
B by A.
V by V A like V by V A माने speed of light in V with respect to speed of light in A V by V A there is the refractive index of A with respect to B, 2 by 3. Second,
VC by VB.
refractive index of B with respect to C, VC by
VB.
that is 4 by 3. You have to find the refractive index of C with respect to
A.
VA by VC. यदि रेसिप्रोकल कर दो VB by VA सेटा हे जे VA by VB केते हितबो 3 by 2 एटा रेसिप्रोकल कर दो VB by VC
3 by 4
केते 3 by 4 VA को लिखि परिबो 3 by 2 into VB VC को लिखि परिबो 3 by 4 into VB 3 by VB cancel 3 by 2 into 4 by 3 no 2 by 3 thala V
B about 3 VB by 2. BC about
3 by 2 VB. Eta about
BC about 3 जो
4 by 3
VB.
3 by 2 VB by 4 by 3 VB. VB cancel 3 by 2 into 3 by 4 9 by 8. 9 by
1.1.
9 by 8. A concave lens of a focal length 15 cm forms an image 10 cm from the lens. A concave lens of a focal length 15 cm forms an image 10 cm from the lens. Calculate the distance of the object from the lens. Calculate the distance of the object from the lens. Focal length f equal to minus 15.
Minus 50.
Very good. What eye defect is hyperometropia?
Short sight.
Long sight.
Full definition.
The person in the impact in the person can see long distance clearly, but not near object clearly. Cause of the smallness of eyeball.
Increase focal length.
Increase in focal length. The eye lens becomes less convergent by shortening of the eyeball size. Myopia.
The defective means person can see near objects clearly, but far objects.
Elongation of eyeball. Decrease in focal length. Myopia can be corrected by using a lens of during the formation of a rainbow, the refraction of light takes place once, twice, thrice, zero.
Twice.
Twice. Very good. If dispersed light passes through an inverted prism, then the color of the light becomes
One. Single light.
if dispersed light passes through an inverted prism, then the
White.
color of light becomes
White light.
white light.
White light.
Dispersed light passes through inverted prism, then the
White.
color of the light becomes white.
White.
A student has difficulty in reading the blackboard while sitting in the last row. What could be the defect the child is suffering from? Myopia.
Yes, sir.
A person with a myopic eye can't see object beyond 1.2 meter distinctly. What should be the type of the corrective lens used to restore proper vision?
Concave.
Convex, concave, bifocal lens, none of these.
Concave lens.
Concave lens. Why? This defect is myopia. Assertion is Newton showed that the 7 colored lights of the spectrum can be recombined to give back white light. Reason is when a beam of white light is passed through a glass prism, a band of 7 colors is formed on a white screen.
A is false and is true.
B.
B.
So that correct, that is not the correct.
The assertion is the scattering of longer wavelength of light increases as the size of the particle increases. Reason is large particles scatter lights of all wavelength equally well.
A is to R is false.
Good. No, both are true. R is not correct explanation. Assertion is there is no dispersion of light refracted through a rectangular glass slab. Reason is dispersion of light is the phenomenon of splitting of a beam of white light into its constituent colors.
A is true, R is true.
Both are true. There is no dispersion of light refracted through a rectangular glass slab.
So that Y is not the
Assertion is reflex actions are automatic and rapid response to stimuli. Reason is these actions are controlled by brain.
A is to R is false.
false.
Assertion is abscisic acid is responsible for wilting of leaves. Reason is it is a growth inhibitor.
A
A is
is
to
true,
R is false.
R is
A
true.
true, R is the correct
Correct
explanation.
explanation of A.
Good. Males have more stature than females during puberty. This is because of presence of thyroxine in the blood of females.
A is to R is false.
Good. Insulin regulate blood sugar level. Assertion. Reason is insufficient secretion of insulin will cause diabetes.
A is true, R is true.
Option A. Very good. Name the part of brain which controls voluntary actions.
Middle of the
Cerebellum.
Cerebellum. Involuntary actions. Medulla.
Medulla.
What is the reflex arc?
The path taken by the reflex action is known as
Very good. The path followed during a reflex action.
is known as
Reflex arc.
Name the hormone which is secreted when growing plants detect light. Name the hormone which is secreted when
oxygen.
growing plant detect light.
Oxygen.
Very good. Which hormone does the control and coordinate in plant?
Abscisic acid.
Oxygen.
Good.
Oxygen.
Plant hormones. Total which hormone does the control and coordination?
Oxygen.
Total
Plant.
phytohormone or plant hormone. Which hormone promotes cell division? Cytokinin. Name one plant hormone which inhibit growth.
Acetic acid.
Write down. Two balls of 100 watt and 40 watt are connected in series. Two bulbs of 100 watt and 40 watt are connected in series. The current through the 100 watt bulb is 1 ampere. The current through the 100 watt bulb is 1 ampere. The current through the 40 watt bulb will be dash. The current through the 40 watt bulb will be dash. Two bulbs of 100 watt and 40 watt are connected in series.
0.4 ampere.
The current through the 100 watt bulb is 1 ampere. The current through the 40 watt bulb is
0.4.
you are wrong. 1 ampere. Series connection the current remains same. Current remains. बुझिपाइल
Again.
Write down. A cylindrical conductor of length L and uniform area of cross section A, capital A. A cylindrical conductor of length, माने a wire of length L and a uniform area of cross section. Area of cross section capital A has a resistance capital R. The area of cross section of another conductor of same material and same resistance but of length 2L. You have to find the area of cross section of another material by another conductor of same material whose length is 2L. Resistance same capital R, only length is changed.
What's here?
What will be length?
Say here.
फॉर्मूला पुट करो मैडम के विषय करो अरे लेंथ 2 टाइम्स बढ़िले एरिया टा 2 टाइम्स बढ़ी जबनी
Again. 2A.
एरिया केते जीव
2A.
2A ही जीवनी the maximum resistance which can be made using 4 resistors each of resistance 1/2 ohm चारिटा resistor अच्छी you are given 4 resistors each having 1/2 ohm R1 R2 R3 R4 equal to 1/2 ohm the maximum resistance
1/2. Which one is?
maximum
Oh.
2.
maximum resistance if these resistors are connected in series then you will get maximum resistance 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 find करना
4/2
वस्तु से तोड़ तुम्हें
2.
टू LCM 4/2 2 ohm coulomb is the SI unit of the electrical resistance of insulators is dash high low infinitely high zero
High.
High.
electrical resistance of insulator infinitely high ଇନ୍ସୁଲେଟରରେ ଟୋଟାଲ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ
କରେଣ୍ଟ ଯିବନି।
ଯିବନି। ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟିଭିଟି ଅଫ୍ ଏନି ଗିଭେନ୍ metallic wire depends upon dash its thickness, shape,
Length.
nature of the material, its length. Resistivity,
No change.
nature of the material. Write down an electric bulb is connected to a 220 volt generator. An electric bulb is connected to a 220 volt generator. Full stop. The current is 0.50 ampere. The current is 0.50 ampere. What is the power of the bulb? P equal to VI.
110 watt.
Good. Power equal to VI. V 220 into I equal to 0.5. In Fleming's left-hand rule, the thumb stands for current, magnetic field, force, voltage.
Force.
Good. At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit dash reduces substantially, does not change, increases heavily, vary continuously. Increases. Give one example of a unisexual flower.
Hibiscus.
Papaya. Bisexual.
Hibiscus, lily,
Characters that are transmitted from parents to offspring during reproduction show only similarities with parents, only variation with parents, both similarities and variation with parents, neither similarities nor variation.
Both similarity and variation.
Both similarities and
Variations.
in the list of organisms given below, those that reproduce by the asexual method: banana, dog, amoeba, yeast.
Banana.
banana.
Amoeba. Question.
Asexual.
Exception dog, all are reproduces by asexual. Amoeba, yeast, banana. Which of the following contraceptive methods does not have side effect? Copper tea, pills, surgical method, none of these.
Surgical method.
Surgical.
Method.
Which among the following disease is not sexually transmitted? Hepatitis, syphilis, HIV/AIDS, gonorrhea.
Hepatitis.
Assertion is plants are vegetatively propagated even though they bear seeds. Reason is potatoes reproduces through tubers, apples by cutting, etc. Potato reproduce through tubers, apple reproduce by cutting, etc. Reason. Assertion is plants are vegetatively propagated even though they bear seeds. B. Two pink colored flowers on crossing resulted in one red, two pink and one white flower progeny. The nature of the cross will be double fertilization, self pollination, cross pollination, no fertilization. Cross fertilization. The maleness of a child is determined by the X chromosome in the zygote, the Y chromosome in the zygote, the cytoplasm of germ cell which determines the sex. Sex is determined by chance.
Y chromosome.
A zygote which has an X chromosome inherited from the father will develop into a baby girl, either boy or girl. Girl. What happens when higher energy ultraviolet radiations act on the oxygen at the higher level of the atmosphere?
Damages the ozone layer.
It split oxygen gas into free oxygen atom. O2 convert into O plus O. The free oxygen atom thus produced react with the oxygen molecule to form ozone. O2 plus O produce O3. Excessive exposure of humans to UV rays results in dash, damage to immune system, damage to lungs, skin cancer, peptic ulcer.
Skin cancer.
Skin cancer. In the given food chain, suppose the amount of energy at fourth trophic level is 5 kilojoule. What will be the energy available at the producer level? Producer level 5 kilojoule fourth trophic level. Energy in the producer level 5 joule. Fourth level the energy कमिलानी
50,000
तार 10 50 50 रे 10 500 500 रे 10 5000 किलोजूल 5000 किलोजूल यदि पचातांत थर्ड थांत थर्ड यदि थांत 5 किलोजूल प्रोड्यूसर लेवल दा
500 किलोजूल.
Assertion is polythene bag and plastic containers are non-biodegradable substance. Reason is they can be broken down by microorganisms in natural, simple, harmless substances.
True and false.
A chemical compound used in glass, soap, and paper industries is dash. Washing soda, baking soda, bleaching powder. Washing soda. Following compounds having maximum number of water crystallization in the crystalline form: FeSO4, CuSO4, CaSO4, Na2SO3, NO2CO3. Maximum number of water crystallization: FeSO4, CuSO4, CaSO4, Na2CO3. Na2CO3 10H2O. Washing soda. FeSO4 7H2O. CuSO4 5H2O. What will happen when aluminum oxide react with sodium hydroxide?
Sodium hydroxide is
NaLO2 plus H2. The electronic configuration of three element X, Y, Z are: X is 28, Y is 287, Z is 282. Which of the following is correct? X is a metal Question of Suniki. X is a metal 28. X is a metal 28 electron configuration. X is a metal. Is a metal? No. Y is a metal 287.
No.
Z is a non-metal 282.
Nah.
Y is non-metal and Z is metal. Y is non-metal correct, Z is metal correct. Amalgam is an alloy of dash. Mercury. Alloy of copper and tin, mercury, lead and tin, copper and zinc. Mercury. Which of the following pairs will give displacement reaction? FeSO4 and copper metal, FeSO4 and aluminum metal.
FeSO4 plus aluminum metal.
FeSO4 plus
Aluminum metal.